Welcome back. Jennifer here, your favorite speech therapist that is helping you become an amazing caregiver. Today we are cracking the code on swallowing exercises to increase the strength in the muscles under your chin and in your jaw. If your loved one has ever been diagnosed with dysphagia or swallowing problems, then chances are that they're going to need exercises to work on strengthening muscles in the mouth and throat so that they can make swallowing safer. Today I want to show you how to do an exercise called Chin Tuck Against Resistance, or CTAR, as us therapists like to call it. So to do this exercise, you will need a small ball, like this one, or a hand towel from the bathroom. This particular ball was developed just for this exercise, so it's 12 centimeters in diameter and can be deflated or inflated to make the exercise easier or harder. I'll leave a link in the description section if you'd like to buy one, but a hand towel from your bathroom will also work and is much easier to get your hands on. So, the purpose of the CTAR is to strengthen what's called the suprahyoid muscles. There are 4 of them, and they're located on the underside of your jaw, right here. It's these muscles when we swallow that help to lift the hyoid bone, sometimes called the tongue bone, and all that's attached to it so that food and liquid that you're swallowing can pass from the throat into the esophagus. Now, there are 2 ways to complete the CTAR exercise. The first way is called the repetitive CTAR. So to do this, you're going to place the ball under your chin and then push your head down and release it 30 times, like this. Okay, until you've completed 30. You're gonna rest for a minute and then you're gonna do it again 2 more times. So you're gonna complete a total of 3 sets. Now let me also show you how to do this using the towel. So you just take the towel and you can kind of roll it up like this. And then you just place the rolled part under your chin. And you do the same motion. Just like that. Now, the second way is called the sustained CTAR. So this time you're going to place the ball under your chin and then you're going to lower your chin towards your chest and hold it for 1 minute. Until you've reached a minute. Then you're going to lift your head back up and relax. Again, you're going to rest for a minute between each minute hold and then you're going to do it again 2 more times for a total of 3 sets. I'll show you with the towel. Same thing, you're gonna roll it up, put it under your chin, and then just hold. Like that. Another variation of this exercise is to gently open your jaw against the ball or towel instead of actually tucking your head down. So it's gonna look something like this. Now, the goal is still to strengthen the same muscles under your chin, but I also find that by opening my jaw, I'm also working the muscles there pretty good too. Now, I'm sure most of you have never heard of this type of exercise before, and probably no swallowing exercise for that matter, but the CTAR is actually relatively new. It was designed as an alternative to an exercise called the Caregiver maneuver, which is done by lying flat on your back and then raising and lowering your head. So, if by chance you were ever told to use the Caregiver exercise, the Chin Tuck Against Resistance will be a bit less strenuous but work the same muscle group. Caregivers, let me caution you that this exercise is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Swallowing exercises are specific to the type of problem your loved one is having. So it's important to talk to a speech therapist before starting any exercise for swallowing, just to make sure that your loved one is strengthening the right muscles. In the coming weeks, I'll be back to show you all some more great swallowing exercises. Until then, try out the cryptogram puzzle in the description and catch up on some of my other great videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck cracking the code.